Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel Future Dream Cars. Today, we're getting up close and personal with a force of nature at the 2024 Lamborghini Urus Performante. Lamborghini isn't exactly known for practicality, but the Urus changed that game. Now, the Performante takes things to a whole new level. Exterior design: the Urus was always a head-turner, but the Performante dials up the aggression. We're talking sharper lines, more prominent air intakes, and extensive use of carbon fiber. It's a bull that means business. But those aren't just for show, they enhance aerodynamics and keep this beast planted on the road. Interior design and features: slide inside, and you're greeted by a luxurious yet sporty cabin. Lamborghini offers a mind-boggling array of customization options, so you can truly make this Urus your own. But no matter the choices, one thing's for sure: the driver is the star here. The controls are perfectly positioned, and the materials are top-notch. There's still plenty of space for passengers and cargo, though because even super SUVs need to be practical, right? Performance. Now, let's talk about what truly sets the Performante apart. Performance. We're looking at a twin-turbocharged V8 kicking out a staggering 666 horsepower. That translates to a blistering 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.3 seconds. This isn't just an SUV, it's a supercar disguised as a family hauler. But it's not all about straight-line speed. The Performante's handling is razor-sharp, thanks to an upgraded suspension system and advanced driving modes. You can take this beast on the track or conquer any off-road adventure with confidence. Technology. Lamborghini hasn't skimped on the tech either. The Urus Performante boasts a cutting-edge infotainment system, driver assistance features, and a fully digital instrument cluster. But all the tech seamlessly integrates with the driving experience, never getting in the way of the pure enjoyment. Driving experience. Getting behind the wheel of the Urus Performante is an experience unlike any other. The acceleration is mind-bending, the handling is precise, and the sound a broken bar. Oh, the sound. This isn't just a car, it's an adrenaline rush on wheels. Special features. Lamborghini offers a ton of unique features to personalize your Performante, from special edition models to one-of-a-kind customization options. It's a true statement piece, a bull with unmatched individuality. The 2024 Lamborghini Urus Performante is a phenomenal achievement. It blends practicality with mind-blowing performance, luxury with a healthy dose of aggression. It's the ultimate SUV for those who demand the very best. So, what do you guys think? Is the Urus Performante your dream SUV? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing car content. And as always, thanks for watching.